Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we keep you updated on the latest and most exciting car releases. Today we're diving into something super special, the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini. Now, Toyota's Land Cruiser line has always been known for its rugged design and incredible off-road capabilities, but this time they're bringing us something a little different. So, what's the Land Cruiser Mini all about? Let's break it down. The 2025 Land Cruiser Mini is designed to be the perfect blend of city-friendly dimensions with the off-road DNA we expect from a Land Cruiser. At first glance, the Mini stands out with its compact yet boxy look, a design that feels fresh while maintaining the Land Cruiser's classic toughness. It's got that unmistakable front grille that fans love, giving it a familiar face, but with sleeker lines and a smaller body that's perfect for urban driving. This isn't your traditional Land Cruiser, but it's ready to make a statement on city streets and on trails alike. Keeps up with Toyota's commitment to efficient yet powerful engines. There's talk of a turbocharged hybrid engine option, which would be great for those looking to balance performance with fuel economy. Toyota knows that today's drivers want both power and sustainability, and this little Land Cruiser seems like it's ready to deliver. This model will likely give you the power to tackle rough terrains without making you break the bank at the pump, a perfect setup for those weekend warriors and daily commuters alike. Inside, the Land Cruiser Mini doesn't compromise on comfort or technology. Even though it's smaller, the interior is incredibly well designed, with a high-quality, premium feel that we're starting to see more often in Toyota's lineup. Imagine leather seats, a digital dashboard, and a central touchscreen with all the features you'd need: navigation, smartphone integration, and advanced safety tech lane, keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Toyota's making sure that, just because it's mini, it doesn't mean you miss out on the premium feel or tech that the Land Cruiser family is known for. Let's talk practicality. One of the most exciting things about the Land Cruiser Mini is how well it balances size and functionality. The smaller size means it'll be easier to navigate tight urban spaces and find parking, a big win for city drivers. But don't worry, it's still a Land Cruiser, so you can expect decent cargo space for those weekend adventures or even a family road trip. It might be mini, but Toyota has engineered it to be spacious where it counts. Now, if you're wondering about its off-road capabilities, Toyota hasn't skimped here either. The Mini is expected to come with four-wheel drive as standard and a few driving modes tailored for different terrains. This compact SUV can handle gravel, mud, and steep inclines, keeping up with Toyota's off-road tradition. It's not just about looking rugged. This Mini is built to perform when you take it off the beaten path. So, is the Land Cruiser Mini the future of compact SUVs? With Toyota's reputation for reliability, cutting-edge features, and a move toward more eco-friendly options, this Mini is set to appeal to a whole new group of drivers. Whether you're an urban explorer, a young professional, or a family looking for a compact yet capable SUV, the 2025 Land Cruiser Mini could be the perfect fit. It's designed to be versatile, stylish, and ready for anything. That wraps up our first look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini. It's compact, it's capable, and it's ready to redefine what we think about Land Cruisers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more updates on the latest car releases. Let us know in the comments if you think the Land Cruiser Mini is worth the hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.